Hi, in this video we are going to see the work from home jobs or else the online jobs. So it is a wonderful opportunity to the candidates who belongs to any graduation or else any post graduation, and even though if you're a fresher or the experience, then you can apply for these positions, guys, and you may get up to 10 lakhs per annum. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are searching for the jobs in this pandemic situation. I think it will be helpful to them. And to get the more videos or the notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the two different notifications I am going to show you. Then you will get the complete details. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. To the present content of the video, so the first one we are going to see here from the Byju's, and there is a job description is given here. The candidates who are selected will begin in an individual contributor role working in a team of go-getters to help the spread the Byju's way of learning in your city, and they would be showcasing the unique Byju's way of learning to the students. And the skills mentioned here: any graduation or the post graduation having a keen interest and the deep understanding of the Indian education sector, and interested in mentoring and guiding the students, having a knack for sales and a good interpersonal and the presentation skills must be there. And all the selected candidates will be part for a 2 months of the training process will be there under the business development trainee profile at a monthly stipend of 25,000 rupees per month you will get. Upon successful completion of the training, the candidates will be promoted to the role of Business Development Associate BDA for direct sales at 7 plus 3 lakhs, that is a 10 lakhs per annum you will get. And how about this BDA? Okay, that you can check down through this video, guys. Here the 3 different videos are there. Okay, so you may check down and you may meet the team also. If you want to apply for this position, then click on this apply now, and then few details it will ask: the name, mobile, email, office city, sales circle, date of birth, and highest qualification and the completion year, and you need to upload a resume. Fine. So even though if you are a fresher or the experience, then no problem, guys, you may apply for this position. And coming to the second one, what I wanted to show you is that in the Indeed, guys, okay, in the Indeed we got this recruitment one regarding the Business Development Associate from Bizpol Business Solutions Private Limited from Bangalore, Karnataka. Okay, so here the 15,000 to 25,000 rupees per month you can earn from this one. And what are the different requirements you need for this one is that, so business development executive job summary is given here. So it's a growing company of building a team across the India, and the successful applicants should be ready to relocate to Bangalore. Business development executive responsibilities and duties, and should process the following. That means the previous one, that is the Byju's, is online, guys. Okay, but while coming to this business development associate means you need to come to Bangalore. Fine. So build contacts with the potential clients to create new business opportunities, and keep prospective client database and updated, and cold calls for new business leads, and the support in writing new business proposals, and maintain the knowledge of all product and service offerings of the company, and arrange the meetings. So competence and skills required is bachelor's degree is required with commerce as a main subject, ability to develop the good relationships with current and potential clients, excellent leadership and communication skills, and experience is required in the project management of the sales, and the knowledge of productivity. Fine. So these are all things mentioned, guys, and the language English, Kannada, read, write and speak must be there. And the salary is 15 to 25,000 rupees per month, plus incentives also will be available. Experience 0 to 3 years, and these are the details, guys. Fine. So if you want to apply for this one, then please search in the Google with the name of Bizpol Business Solutions Business Development Associate Indeed. Okay, then you will be directed to this one, guys. And the third one that I want to show you is the online business administrator. Okay, so from Pharmazone Direct, Pune, Maharashtra. So here you will get the 1,75,000 to 2,75,000 rupees per year you can earn from this one. And here the job description and the market research and the purchasing, data management, all these things are given. And coming to the qualifications, the qualifications required here is graduation from any stream with excellent communication skills is required. Even though if you're a fresher, then no problem, guys, you can apply for this one, and the experienced candidates will be given preference. Okay, and the working hours are given here. So UK shift timings are there. Working hours are typically 9 hours daily, including 1 hour break. Saturday and Sunday will be completely off, and you will likely have to work extra hours when deadlines are approaching. And the professional development is also given here. So online e-commerce portal, Microsoft Excel and Outlook email system, and yeah, salary what I mentioned, and the schedule is also given here. Fine. So whoever the interested candidates are there, you may search out in the Indeed website with the name of Pharmazone Direct Pune online business administrator. Then you will be directed to this one, and click on this apply now. So first of all, you need to register with this Indeed website, and then you can start applying for these positions. Okay. So total is all the three different what we call advertisements, guys. So graduates as well as the postgraduates can apply for this one. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, okay, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. To bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merit cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the two platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay. And while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity.